The Lil Gobstopper series. You are well aware of our old series, the Gobstoppers. We've changed these up significantly, yet there are some similarities. The biggest thing is we took them down about 20% in size. Now this was specifically asked by you guys because where you guys have been hunting, a lot of times the Jakes, especially this guy, was intimidating those toms. And when we were able to take that size down, the Jake wasn't a bully anymore. He was one getting bullied.
I mean, we'd had some issues with the original Gobstoppers where we saw some timid turkeys. We also had really good reactions to it. I was like, man, you could very well have the same thing here. They're so small, you don't know what's going to happen. The reaction we had with these decoys at that smaller scale, at 20% smaller, was absolutely incredible.
We definitely took a gamble with it, but you know, here at Primos, that's what we like to do sometimes. We listen to you guys. You're in the field day in and day out. So we took those, we updated the carvings, we made them more realistic, added a different paint scheme in. I mean, you can just see the detail in some of these cuts here compared to some of those older decoys that are out in the market. And for the price of these things, I don't think you can beat them.
Absolutely not.
I mean,
you can't.
That size you shrank down, you guys hunt, you guys put miles in.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about how much easier it was carrying these throughout the woods.
I wouldn't think it would make that much big of a difference, but it did. They're smaller, you don't have to worry about it as much. I mean, you just pick up and go. For a run and gun style turkey hunter, which is a lot of what we do, these are so applicable. I mean, I can't say enough about them, about how easy they are to tote around and just the reaction we've been getting from turkeys.
Well, I mean, you guys tested the crap out of them, I'll tell you that. You had them in the southeast, the mountain west, up northeast. I mean, you guys went to Iowa with them, you went all over. So I highly encourage you guys to check these out at primos.com. The new Lil Gobstopper series coming in a Jake, a hen, and a combo.